Tampa Elite Sports Academy. Thank you.
Raiders fans, make some noise. Raiders fans.
I formation. Johnny Rocket with right tackle. Very close to a first down. Looks to be just short. Maybe. 4th and about 6 inches.
Got to stop him here, Raiders. Got to stop him. Raiders fans, make some noise on this 4th and short.
Big play here. Back play, Jake Hodge breaks off. Belgic. Running and stumbling. First down. Picked up about 13 on the play. First and 10, good football from the Raider 29-yard line. Running and stumbling and tumbling. I missed it, Desi. Welcome, Desi Romanowski. Johnny Rocket, right tackle.
Brought down by number 10, Larry Hodges on the tackle.
Gain of about 2 on the play. 2nd and 8. From the Raider 27-yard line.
Let's go, Raiders. Good job, cheerleaders.
Flag on the play. Well, we're going on the coach.
That was started to the coach. Going to back him up 5. And replay that down.
Penalty results in a 2nd and 12 from the Raider 32-yard line. J-Train Talbot taking the coach to the football. J-Train. Bruce drops back. Touch and go.
Brought down by the Raiders. Number 22, J.T. Brown.
Lost about 1 on the play. Brings up 3rd and long from the Raider 34-yard line.
Let's make some noise, Raiders fans, for this 3rd and long. Get on your feet. Let's go, Raiders. Raiders. Let's stop them here, Raiders.
Johnny Rocket, left tackle, gets the edge, lowers it. Gain of about 7 on play. Results in about 4th and 9 from the Raider 29-yard line. Official timeout, water break.
While we have a water break, I'd like to thank the 2013 Bay Area Raiders sponsors. Bank of Tampa, Cardinal Point Management, Perry Electric, Wingham Law Group, Quality Roofing, Reds Team Sports, the Verizon Foundation, Beef O'Brady's of South Tampa, Great Clips, Pods, Complete Auto Repair, Armstein and Lear LLP, Dr. John L. Red Dentistry, and Banker Lopez and Glasser. Thank you very much for your 2013 contribution to the Bay Area Raiders and their championship aspirations.
I'd like to take this time to recognize our back-to-back grand champion, Midget Juniors. Congratulations. Taco Harris is in the house. Jet Bird is in the house. 4th and 9 for the Colts.
Very important stoppage here, ladies.
Flag on the play.
Damage charge to the Colts.
2 men in the huddle. Illegal substitution. 4th and long, Colt football.
That penalty backs him up some more. It'll be 4th and long here for the Colts. Raiders fans, make some noise. Overthrown. Raiders football.
Turnover on downs, Raider football.
Raiders taking over at the 34-yard line. 3:05 left in the first half. .55 remaining in this first half. Raiders take the football.
Let's hear it, Colts fans.
Let's go, Raiders.
Power football.
Up the middle for a couple that time by number 8, J.D. Robertson.
Tackled by number 5, the Assassin.
Going to bring up 2nd and 8 for the Raiders.
Let's go, defense. Big stand right here.
Raiders back to the line here at the 36. Looking to keep moving the chains.
Drops back.
Quick pass.
Great on field tackle by number 10, Smith. Assist by number 5, the Assassin.
Caught by number 10, Larry Hodges. Going to bring up 3rd and 4 for the Raiders. Let's make some noise, Raiders fans. 3rd and short.
Third defense.
Raiders.
Blitz on the play.
Tyus Pringle on his feet. It's close.
Short pickup brings up 4th and about 2. Big stand for the Colts defense right here.
Timeout charge to the Raiders with 2:18 remaining in the first half. Colts on top by 6.
We would like to extend a great thanks to Chuck Peterson / Jimbo Fisher for the great work he's done all year for the videoing of each and every game. Thank you, Jimbo / Chuck.
Let's hear it. Let's hear it. On your feet. On your feet. On your feet.
Colt football. Make a stand here.
That's right, Raiders cheerleaders are going to run him over. 4th and short. Make some noise, Raiders fans. 4th and short. Make some noise.
Good defense.
Drops back. Number 5's on him. No can be. Denied by the Colts defense. The assassin, Jaden Perez, and Chance Coleman on the stop. Huge stand by the Colts defense. Turnover on downs. You can bring that food and drink up here if you like. .2:10 remaining in the first half. Johnny Rocket, right tackle, cuts it back, keeps the legs moving. Pick up of about 5, brings up 2nd and 5 from the Raider 34-yard line. 2 minutes remaining. Here comes Bruce. Standing room only today, folks. Bam, bam! Bam, bam!
He was banned that time for a minimal gain by the Raiders defense.
Brings up 3rd and 2.
We'll take it 3 at a time.
1:15 remaining in the first half. Mike Kelly, Mark Fair stopping strategy. J. Trey Talbot taking the coach to the football.
Make some noise, Raiders. 3rd and short. Brought down by a couple of Raiders that time. All right, number 3, Latif Alshot here on that sack.
Loss of about 5 on the play. Raiders take a timeout. Should be the last timeout of the half. Brings up 4th down for the Colts from the Raider 36-yard line. What a great day. Super Bowl Saturday in Tampa Bay. Welcome, Lipscomb family. Here we go. 4th and long. Colt football from the Raider 36. 37 seconds remaining in the first half.
All right, Raiders, let's show that defense. Let's show that defense.
Let me hear the smoke.
Let's go, Raiders.
Bruce drops back. Ball is up. Smoke. Oh!
Through the hands, pass incomplete. Raider football.
Great effort all the way around. Great coverage. Great throw. Great attempt by Smoke. Turnover on downs. 30 seconds remaining in the half. That's it, 47. Get those arms raised. Here we go. Looking by your team. Looking by your 4. Put your head on somebody. Here we go.
Raiders at the 35-yard line, 30 seconds remaining. Let's go, Raiders.
Trips left, 23.
Middle of that field is wide open.
Nothing behind you. Great timing by number 9. Let's go by number 10, Smoke!
Caught by number 2, Quaid.
That's moving.
Reception.
About 15 seconds remaining in the half. Great read by number 10.
Gotta get into something.
Nothing behind your defense. Nothing behind your defense.
7 seconds.
Nothing behind your defense.
Let's get it going, Raiders.
Snap. 1 second remaining. There he goes. He's taking off.
Still on his feet.
And block down. That'll do it for the first half. Excellent football game right here, folks. Coach 6, Raiders 0.